Okay guys, so we got the new cooler housing. What I got is the aluminum one. You can see I already put the seals on the back up, and then I already put the cooler on top of it, which the manual said that just the 35 inches pound, so it just tied by hand. There is no way it's like a 3 foot pound, so something like that. So just tied by hands. Don't put any seal, don't put any silicone or whatever on the seals. Just tie it down, you know. Just do like this, the middle one, then right here, then this one, and this one, this one, and the last one, you know. That's it. Now we're gonna set this one. This housing is a Dorman. Let me show the part number on it. It shows that it is I don't know if you can see it right there, 926-876. It's like 200 and something, I believe. 200 and I can't remember exactly, but it's not coming with the ECT sensor or coolant temperature switch sensor, and not the oil pressure sensor. So I paid for them separate. So let me clean this mess right here. So now we're just going to slide the new housing into it. Clean this up, and remember, put some oil right here on this O-ring thing right here, because it goes right there, you know. It goes right there, and it's the, yeah, you can see better right there. It goes right there, so it should be easily to put it back on if you put some oil into it. Okay, so I'm gonna slide this back in there. Okay, so it's already in there. Now I'm gonna put the new bolts. These bolts, they should be tied down to 8 pounds. It's a 8 something, but I mean, it's a 106 inches pound, so it's around 8 pounds. So it's most likely doing like hand tight. So it's up to you. You do 8 or, you know, but I'm gonna do 8 pounds. Let's see. And remember that we need to use the E8. It called E8. I barely can see that one, but anyways, it called E8. And let me tie them down. Where's the first one? Right here. Okay. There's only 5 bolts. Okay, so now I got it down there. I'm going to just tie them by hand right now. Okay, my hand. Okay. Okay, we got all 5 right there. So now I'm gonna put let me see. I'm gonna put this one, okay, right there, and this one on top. I'm gonna do 8 pounds. Let me get this thing right. Okay. It's gonna be real slow, because I mean, hold on, I'm gonna start right here. It's just only 8 pounds, so we just have to go real slow so we can hear the click on this one. Okay, so I have to feel. Okay, you hear the click. So that's 8 pounds right there. Okay. Okay, right there. I'm gonna do this one now. Another click. I'm gonna do this one right here. Didn't made it. Okay, 8. I'm gonna lose this one because I don't feel like it went all the way, so like the way it's supposed to, so I don't hear the click. Okay, better right there. So it's 8 pounds. You can do 9. It's up to you. 8 or 9 shoe works. It's already sitting there. So now let me move the camera a little bit. Now we're gonna slide the connector. It's clean. I already blow air into it. So let me make sure the wire is good right here, if you can see it. Yeah, it should be good. It's inside of the okay. You just better replace both sensors at the same time. You know, on Amazon they sell them the whole housing, plastic housing, for 80 something, but man, I really don't trust them. I read the reviews and they said that they have to replace it back again. The pressure sensor not working, oil pressure sensor not working, and you know, start leaking after a couple months. So I really not spend my time and money on that type of, you know, parts in this case, because it's plastics. So now I'm gonna slide that cooling hose into it. Okay. Okay, right there, right on. Yep, right on. Now we're gonna hook the let me see where at. Where are you at? I need to hook the sensor. The other, where is it at? It's right here. My goodness, hiding. Yeah, it's kinda, it's not dirty. Okay, just to make sure. Okay. One thing, for some reason man, this thing moved. For some reason the ECT sensor or coolant temperature sensor is really not, when you screw it into the housing, it's not going all the way down, and then you will feel when it stops. So okay, we got it right there. Now we're gonna clean it's already clean, just little spots right there dirty. Okay, this one is going to be it's calling for 6 inches, I mean 6 foot-pounds on each bolt. So I believe that it just better go with do it by hand. It should be better. And then we still gonna use the 8 millimeters, which I don't have right here. Got the 10. Hold on, let me grab that thing. Okay, so we'll do 8. Okay, so it's asking, it's calling for 6. So it's up to you if you want to go 6 or you can go 7, either way. So you can start from the center right here. I'm gonna do slow. Yeah, it should go slow. It don't go that faster anyways. Okay, so third one. Close that door. Where you open it? Where you open it? Why? Okay, so now we got I'm gonna do with this thing. I'm gonna do with this thing right here. You can feel when it goes down all the way, you know, like right there. You can feel right now. Okay, just go down. Just do by hand. I'm gonna try it at 7. So let's see. Okay, right there. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go this way. Go this way, now this way. Let's see, this one tight. This one tight, now this one. Okay, now this one. Okay, now this one. Okay, that one right there. Yeah, that one right there. So now we're gonna do 7. Let me see, we got 8. I'm gonna do 7 right here. So it's gonna be kind of. Let me see if I can feel that. Let me see if I can feel it. 7. Jesus, can feel it. Okay, I hear the click right there. 7. Like I said, it's not easy because I don't have the small one, so it's not easy to hear that click, but you can feel it. You hear that click right there? Now we go this way. You hear a click right there. Now this one. Right there. Okay, now we can jump to the other one right here. Oh, this one right here. Right there. And now this one. Right there. Right there. And the last one right here. Right there. 7, we got all them already on. So now we're gonna install the injector connectors. Just push down and then push the red top down too. Okay, same thing in the other one right there. Okay, right there. Put the clip back on this side too. Right there. Right there. Right there. We got that right there. Right in place. We got that. We got this one now. Now don't forget to hook the fuel line, which goes right here with the white clip. Remember that this is the way the clip goes. That's the way it's slide in there. So see the difference. This is the way to go. So you don't go the other way. If you go the other way, you can break it. And then the blue one, which is half of it, you know, so it was half of it. See, it broke. So we had to hook the other clip or strap right there so we can make it work. I don't know if you can see right there, but we have to make this thing work. It's already got the clip on it, one clip, but it's 2 clips on it. So I'm gonna hook a strap or something just in case, but I don't think it goes nowhere, you know, or maybe right here. Yeah, so now I'm gonna get that thing ready, and so we can put the other half of the intake. This is the plenum and the intake manifold on top of it. Okay, now we're going to like, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll put the little strap right there on top of it just to keep on the safe side. Bring all your bolts all the way to the top so you don't get in trouble. Okay, so yeah, bring all your bolts. See, like this one's right here, like that, you know, just kick them a little bit up so it's staying up, so it don't go down, because when you slide in there you're gonna get in trouble. So it's just better keep them up, you know. It ain't not going down right now because they holding it itself. So now we have to remember that we have this hole right here on the back. So you may have to figure that out let me bring this up. Oh man, this thing is, hold on. Okay, so you may have to figure this out to hook the hose back here, because we got 2. Remember that we got 2. Let me see what the other one is. Okay, one on top and one on the bottom. Yeah, one on top and one on the bottom. So bring this one, you know, inside. I don't know if you can see, but the back one, just bring it to it and push it in. Okay, right there. And the second one, push it in too, same way, like that. Now we just have to, now we can slide this thing all the way through in there with that much trouble, you know. So let me see. Okay, I got that one right there on one hole. I'm gonna do this one right here now. I'm gonna bring this one, the bracket. I have to pull this down so everyone can see this. Okay, one thing that I'm not showing on the video, it's, you know, there is one right here and there is another one back there. So the back one, I cut it with the grainer because it really, I mean, it's just on the way. You really don't have to use, if it is your truck or is the truck that you work on most of the times, so you use better, you know, cut that one off, because this one is gonna hold the intake in place anyway, so you don't need 2. I'm not sure why they use two studs right there. Always you get in trouble with the last one back there. You can see on the, you know, back on the video how long it takes me to fix it, I mean to get it off. So I already got that side in there. Now we just have to bring, you know, this one is already loose. It's already, I mean, the bracket is loose, so you just slide in there, and the same thing over here, you know, it's already in there. So now this bolt, now you push the bolts down, you know, just push them down, you know, just like that. Yeah, that one is down, that one, and the other one, it goes right here, you know. So let me put this in here so we can get it right on. It looks like it's gonna rain over here, so I just better hurry up just in case. I'm gonna do hand tight first. You know what, I'm gonna get my other ratchet. If not, I'm gonna finish. Okay, so let me see if I can make it with this one. Bring it down, or maybe I can use this one right here. Okay, like that. Okay, down. Here. This one. This one. Okay, so remember there is one back here with I'm gonna do slowly this one right here. I think it's going. You feel like it's going, but not really at all. Okay, let me slide. Yeah, it's going. It just take a little time to get down. Okay, it's down. Okay, it's down now. I'm gonna do by hand. Okay, right there. Down now. Down. Down, down, down. I'm gonna put this one right here. Okay. I'm gonna do it. Now we're gonna use the torque. I mean, on this one, you know, you can go with the torque, but I mean, like, I don't feel like you really have to. So, you know, they already tight right there, you can feel. So I just go like, you know, you don't have to go like tight, you know, it's already in there. Got that one right there. See, like this one is already loose right now. It's already in there, you know, it go nowhere. So I just gonna snug a little bit, and that's it. Same thing on this one. See, it's already in there, it goes nowhere. So I just go like, that's it. You can feel right on, you know, this one go nowhere, and that's it. See, this one is already in there, so just a little bit, and this one is already in there, just a little bit, and the other one, last one right here, because it's just plastic, you know. See, that one is already in there, so you just go like, you don't have to go crazy into it. Okay, so I'm gonna use the 13 on the side of the brackets. Let me bring this thing so you can see what exactly. Jesus, I have to bring all the way down things. Okay, so I'll talk about this bracket right here. You know, it's loose, so we have to put the this one back on, and there should be another one on the other side too, which is just loose. It's not out. I just got it loose, you know. So okay, it's in place. So now we'll just tie them. Okay, it's tight. Now we have to tie the other one, which is, it's right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's right there. Barely can see that one, but you will see it. It's another bracket right there. Let me tie that one by hand. Tight, but it's going. Okay, we got it in there, a little bit in there. So I'm gonna do with the, hold on, let me put this camera down here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the 13. I'm gonna do with the 13, so we should put. Okay, got it now. Now I'm gonna tie the 10s. I'm gonna tie this one. Got that one. I'm gonna tie this one now. The other one. Okay, place. Now we're gonna tie down the let me move this way. Okay, so let me tie the pipe. I'm gonna put the filter and the filter cap on it with the same filter cap on it. So we're gonna slide back in there. This thing is not quite. Let me push it down. Okay, all the way down. So it goes. We're using the 24. Okay, right on. Now we're gonna put the intake pipe. Okay, now we're gonna put the intake pipe. Sensor, and then we have to hook the, this evap sensor right here in place, and the little brown top on clip right there. The other pipe right here, and now we have to press this back on, push it back. And then you should go, yeah, let me get the clips out of the way. Okay, right there. Okay. Two. That's right there. We just have to tighten the 8 right there. Okay, it's tight. And now we just have to clean the we just have to clean the we just probably have to replace the oil for sure. Maybe it's mix it or not, maybe it's set it down on the pan, so we just better replace the oil. And then we have to clean the coolant reservoir, you know. And then I already flush it, you know, I already flushed the whole system, but it's a little bit of oil in the reservoir. And then maybe it's gonna be coolant on the bottom of the oil pan. So yeah, that's all for now. I mean, it's down now, right? So I hope this video helped you, and then we'll see you next time.